Friends, welcome to my vegetable garden. In this video I am going to show you how to prune a chili plant. Here is a chili plant. I have planted chili and cauliflower at single row. One cauliflower plant after one chili plant. Actually chili plant is a perennial plant. It can be grown all over the year. That's why after the cauliflower is harvested, chili plants will start to give fruits, and it will give fruits all over the year. That's why I have planted them in the same rows. One by one. So I am going to prune these plants. So friends, when you are going to prune a plant, you need to select the pruning point below which there should be enough nodes. So I am going to prune it at the top of it, and at the below of this pruning point there are 5 nodes. So from these 5 nodes at least 4 buds will come. Now I am going to prune it. So now it is pruned successfully, and after this pruning from the nodes buds will come. So you can see from the nodes some buds are coming already. So in this pruning process the buds will grow very healthy. Previously I have pruned some chili plants in my garden, and I am going to show you. So friends, here is the result of pruning of chili plants. When the plants is 1 month old after transplantation, and the plant is ready for pruning. So after pruning, these are the 40th day. So after transplantation, and the plants are 62 days old. So after 62 days old after transplantation, and after 30 days old after pruning, the plants have numerous chilies. Numerous chilies has come in these plants. If I count the number of chilies in a single plant, I will find that there is more than 100 chilies from a single plant. You can see. If you want to multiply the production of chili, you need to obviously adopt the process of pruning. So thank you for watching the video. Stay safe and stay happy. Goodbye.